What is up? Dr. Brooke here, and today I am bringing to you the pros and cons of the Venmo credit card. Now, I can share with you as a user over the last 10 months what I believe a lot of the pros are and what I believe are some really bad cons and things to weigh out if you are utilizing the Venmo credit card. All right, so first things first, let's talk pros. Pros of Venmo credit card. Now, Venmo brought this out into the marketplace, I believe, early 2021, and they offer 6% cash back. Now, on the surface, looking at that, you think, oh, 6% cash back on everything I spend. However, they break it down into three different categories. So you get 3% on the things that you spend the most on, 2% back on the second category that you spend the most on, and then 1% on everything else. So it's actually kind of cool. I do think that this is a big pro of the credit card because it alternates cycle after cycle or statement after statement. Where if you spend a lot one month on dining and nightlife, is what they call it, the category, like outside food, then that's going to have 3% cash back the next following cycle. If you spend a lot of gas, 1 month, then that's going to be your 3% cash back. So when I first got started, they just had set it up as grocery, nightlife, or entertainment, and then everything else. And then as they've learned, through probably AI measures my spending habits, they, altered that every single month. And so I've collectively over the past year have earned over $700 in Venmo rewards. The cool thing after with the Venmo rewards is that at the end of every statement, they just deposit your rewards back into your Venmo account. So you can spend it how you like. You can transfer it to your bank account, whatever works for you, right? Everybody is different. One of the other pros, before I get into some of the cons, is that say you're out to dinner with a group of friends, right? And you pick up the tab because hey, you get rewards for using your Venmo credit card, right? So like, hey, you pick up the tab. The friends can then you could do split payments for it. Let's say it was $100 and you were out with four other friends and you split it out. You can have that requested payment from your friend paid directly to the card. So it just immediately goes to the card. You don't even have to think about it. It doesn't go into the Venmo. It just pays straight to the credit card. So it's really nice because you don't have to have these crazy reminders that, oh my gosh, a credit card payment is due. And if you utilize it to your advantage, meaning you use it and then you pay it off within the same month, obviously, not only are you reaping the Venmo rewards, but you're building your credit, you're getting extra cash for utilizing it, and Venmo's not getting anything from you, right? So that I think is really cool. I think that is a really great feature. And then this is actually my Venmo QR code. So if someone needed to pay me, right, you're at dinner and you pick up the tab and everybody is needing to pay you back, you could just hand them your card and have them scan that and it can go right to your Venmo credit card. So very cool features. The two biggest cons that I see with this card, and hopefully Venmo gets it figured out sooner than later. But two big cons is one, they don't have the feature where you can simply connect your Venmo credit card to your QuickBooks or to your other accounting software yet. The credit card is offered through Synchrony Bank, is who they are connected with, and that doesn't connect right with QuickBooks or any other accounting software, Wave, whatever you might use. Because for this, I do kind of commingle business and personal expenses, but I separate them out on the statement, what is business and what is personal, and, allocate that way. So I do wish that they had that feature that you could just pull everything through QuickBooks. Right now I have to do a big workaround where I have to download the statements, put it in an Excel sheet, and then upload it into the database. It does take a little bit of extra time, so keep that in mind just for accounting purposes. My prior background before becoming a doctor was finance and accounting. And so I do have a lot of like nerdy little ways of, doing those kind of things. And so I think it's important, Venmo, if you're watching this, to turn around and add that feature in for accountants to easily upload transactions, especially working with clients. But for the individual person, it's awesome. The other big con. So one of the things you can do with your Venmo rewards right now is you can have it transfer into crypto. So as of now, you can purchase 4 different crypto coins using your Venmo rewards, which is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and I believe Bitcoin Cash. So 4 different ones. And sounds cool on the surface. You can actually not only just use your Venmo rewards, but you can also use like your actual cash. Like someone pays you in Venmo and you want to transfer it into crypto because you're all hyped on crypto. Watch the rest of this channel because I'm very hyped on crypto. There'll be a lot of other videos about that in the coming weeks. So you can buy crypto with your rewards. However, it's such a disadvantage. So when I first started out in this crypto blockchain space, after like month 2 or 3 with my Venmo rewards just going straight to my account, I said, oh my gosh, I'm going to buy crypto with this. This is cool. Except what happens is it gets stuck there. So cool, it gains value if the coin gains value, and it loses value if the coin loses value, but it's non-transactional, meaning it's stuck there. So you can't turn around and buy an NFT if you're trying to buy an NFT with the Ethereum that you have, or you can't utilize it in the way that it's meant to be utilized. You can't even transfer it to another wallet. So if you have a wallet, like a blockchain wallet like MetaMask or AirGap or other wallets, if you don't have, or if you have those, you can't transfer those funds to that wallet. So I think that is a major disadvantage with the crypto being purchased in the Venmo platform. I always highly advise people against that. I've been teaching a lot of crypto courses in the last few months and have told all of my students to avoid Venmo when it comes to purchasing crypto. So Venmo, hopefully you get your act together and fix this. But what I'm doing right now is I'm taking all of those Venmo rewards every single month, transferring them back into my bank account, and then utilizing those and putting them in, or utilizing those funds and putting it straight into my crypto wallets, and buying more coins and more Ethereum and more other stuff. So hopefully you found this video helpful. Venmo is a great credit card and something you should definitely consider getting. I will have a link to the card in the notes below. Have a great rest of your day, and I will talk to you soon.